Hey family, how y'all doing today? So today we will be making stuffing for seafood, meat, or pasta. Guys, this is super delicious. You just have to try it. If you guys are new here, please hit the subscribe button down below, notification bell, like, share, and comment. Now, let's get started. These are our ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements, okay? We have some spinach. We also have some mushrooms diced. I have some parsley, garlic, bell peppers, cream cheese, some freshly grated parmesan, and freshly grated smoked Gouda. So to my pan on medium-high heat, I'll be adding just about a teaspoon of oil and I'll be throwing in my mushrooms. Let this cook down until it produces its own moisture. Give that a good stir, just like that. And here we'll be going in with our spinach. Mix that well. But I'm using the baby spinach. Now we add our chopped garlic. Continue to stir. Guys, you can even use this to do your shells, which is absolutely amazing. That is our complete seasoning and some pepper flakes and some Italian seasoning. Go ahead and mix that well. And our bell peppers. How pretty that looks. Now we would allow this to cook down until all the moisture has been absorbed, and then we will set aside to cool down to room temperature before we add our cheeses. And it is ready. Looks amazing, guys. Now I'll go in with my cream cheese, and I am using here 8 ounces of cream cheese. Mix until it becomes nice and creamy, and make sure to taste is the key, guys, when cooking. Okay, you can adjust your flavor as you go. Guys, this filling is so rich, so flavorful, so thick, and that is good like for stuffing your meat, your pasta, or your fish. It will not ooze out or run out of the meat. So now we'll go in with our freshly grated Parmesan. Oh, that is one of my favorite cheeses. We will mix that until it is nice and creamy and well combined. Again, guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. Like, share, and comment. Now there, guys, is our smoked Gouda. This is another of my fave. I mean, you can add whatever cheese you guys like in this filling, but these two I would highly recommend that you try them both. All right, and we will set this aside until we're ready to stuff whatever we're making. All right, guys, and there you have it, our beautiful, delicious, most flavorful stuffing for meat, for pasta, or seafood. Again, guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I really appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment. All right, thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.